Hey everyone, this is Joe from EfiWires, and this video is going to be a quick demonstration of the new feature that's being released today, June 23rd, 2026. It's a spreadsheet editor interface for connector cavities and device connections. So let me show you how it works. If we go to Libraries, Connectors, the scenario here is that you need to add a new connector to your library because you can't find one in the system library. So for this demo, I'm just using, I searched for a brand, Joe's Connectors with 16 cavity count, and there's nothing in the library yet. So I'm going to create one strictly as a demonstration. So we're going to make it a plug. We're going to make it Joe's Connectors brand and a series and a part number. And then we're going to specify 16 cavities. And when I click save here, it automatically creates all 16 of those cavities for that connector that we just created. And it pre-fills the terminal brand and series with the brand and series of the connector. But you can change these if you want. This whole table right here is the new spreadsheet interface that I'm talking about. So you can edit things in here just like they were a spreadsheet. So like if you put in a label, hit return, it'll automatically go to the next row. You can do the same thing over here on description. Hitting enter moves to the next row. You can do things like autofill with the drag handle. Since these are numbers, they will automatically increment when you fill that way. If you change your brand, let's say this connector really uses AMP Super Seal. You can type ahead to find things. Let's say it uses Super Seal and they're all sockets and they're the 1.0 millimeter. You can drag multiple columns at the same time and fill that way as well. So now I've just edited all 16 of these so that they have these values. You can still come in and edit with the pencil icon one at a time if you want to add the notes or if there are any other fields that don't exist on the spreadsheet. But this will be a big time saver because you'll be able to fill out multiple rows really quickly. And you can also do things like, you can select multiple rows and hit delete and it clears them all out. You can copy a value and then you can paste it in multiple places if you want. Basically, it works pretty much like a spreadsheet. So that is in two places in the application. One is in the connector cavities, which I just showed you. And then it also exists in the device pinouts. So if you were to create a new connection, when you're doing the pins for the device connections, you get the same spreadsheet type interface and same features here. So that's going out today, June 23rd. Let me know how you like it. Let me know if there's any problems with it. Let me know if there are other places within the application where it would be useful. I've only added it to those two places so far, but I'm looking for feedback. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.